Yes. Yes. 3 o'clock Facebook. Not too bright. Yes. Yes, she attack. She never do nothing. Yes. No, she never do nothing. Out of order. Nothing she don't do, nothing. Nothing she don't do, nothing. Nothing she don't do, nothing she don't do, nothing she don't do.
Love the woman, man. Love the woman, man.
I thought the woman attack, she don't do nothing. No, nothing she don't do. Nothing she don't do, nothing. Nothing but because she attack you, right? Out of order. Yeah. Nothing she don't do, nothing. Nothing. 3 o'clock Facebook, right? Yes. Let me them Jamaica people them to understand. They move right. Don't go in there. I'll take up to the woman. Yeah, them out of order. Out of order. Them police have to understand themselves, man. Look here, my video. Out of the way, look what video is. Put up on Facebook. Out of order. Right. Any move out of the way. Let's see the one that we are. Don't remember the time. You do what I tell you, brother. Nothing she don't do. No, I tell you, said them a chat. Out of order. She have a wretch. Because she don't do the police want to do out of order. I told you I come from Fugaria. All I back them to out of order. Yeah.
Me can't stress it enough. When me tell you, say, when you see the police them at work, you need to move from them as far as possible. You see me? Because enough of them police officers here really love to show off themselves. You see me? So you come there and you say you have freedom of speech and all these things. You see me? I say, believe you me, it now go free. Stay far from them when they do them work. Me now stop telling them that. You see? Do it like a rich man. When something happen, you hear the first thing him say, you have to contact my lawyer. No, me know say enough when I have the lawyer, cause you know when I'm rich like that. You understand? So therefore, do something where you can keep yourself safe. Nobody go there and go in a whole heap of argument with no police officer, yo. Just load them out, brethren. You see me? Because look at this lady now. She come to town, she buy her goods and she try to go home. I don't know if it's her family or whatsoever them a do. You see me? I say make them know the people, make she know start to say something to the police. You see what end up happen? They lock her up. No, you follow behind that police car with the woman and go see the little piece of full charge and then go to the yard. Waste of time. You get what I say to you? Waste of time. And them do that because the words what you say out of your mouth might have make them feel embarrassed. And the little embarrassed what them feel, them decide say them go and make sure say you feel away too. You get what I say to you? So it's when you see them and them sitting tan far from them. Cause what? They are very show off. Just like a Jamaica say, hype. You get me? Please, I'm begging the citizens, alright? Let them do them job, you know? Then we call it obstruction of justice and all these things. You know what I mean? And right now, them have the law, them have the power. So just make them do them job. That's what I say, and you do what you're supposed to do the right way, alright? Yeah, man. Now, furthermore, I need to tell us a long time I come out, long time I post. You know, I've been all over the place. I'm doing some little work and so forth. So I say work, I mean, I get my things upgrade where I gotta bring a better view to you, my viewers. So I say for the Dancehall channel, is it? So now stay tuned because not very long from now, you'll be see a better and more improved Dancehall Skiller channel. Alright, so for all who new to my channel, just click the subscribe button, and for those who they are along, if you need to know more what go on, just influence your friends them to just go and click the subscribe button, Yeah, my name is Skiller, and that was Skiller's Entertainment.